this is a quick demo for our WinDoorERP system, complete solution for windows and doors. So our ERP system is cloud-based, so is work online, nothing installed on the software. This is the main page. So our user journey start with the CRM. We have it here, the navigation bar. You can close it, you can open it. In the CRM, we have pipeline, and we can have our opportunity by we can organize it by card and stages. To add it, simply we can click on the stage, we can click add here and write our company name, what company I want. I can write it on the flight, like I want it to be Finister, let's say like this company. Okay, so I can click on add. So the salesman in general, this is his first step to add the opportunity, which represented the building, villa, or apartment, whatever it is. He can make this one, add the contact details, any other details, and also he can follow up and register here down whatever he have. He can click notes, and he can send email directly from here to the clients, or sending WhatsApp directly to the clients. Also the salesman, he can come to here to customer location and choose the customer location by clicking like this. He can choose the customer, even he can zoom in, choose correctly everything. Once he finish, he can save and lock this one. Okay, you can lock the map so it will not be changed anymore. Also, if you go down, you can get the Google Map link and put it here. You can extract the coordination, so you can from the link which is shared with you, you can put it here and extract it. And you can also share this Google with the with your team. You can share it also, the link. So here is where salesman start, and he can follow up. So the first step after salesman he start, he can schedule the pre-code survey. Okay, he can schedule pre-code survey to send to technical team request for taking measurement on the site, or if you have any other technical request, he can also make another technical request. We make like these types. Okay, like code and drawing. If you don't need to go to site, you have drawing, you can send it, or you need any other request, you can also make it from here, or just directly from here you can schedule the brief code. We click from here. Once we click it, system will ask us what is your deadline for this. There is also here some guidance, what have to be done, and also we can add some information. We can create a technical request. Now this one is creating a pre-code survey. Okay, also the salesman have option to directly create a quotation. That is also possibility. Okay, for creating a quotation and create a drawing for the customer. Okay, but we will work with the flow, which is have technical team and site measurement team. So the site measurement team, they go to the site and take measurements, not the salesman. So in here we can directly add items. Okay, we can add what is the schedule date, what is the end date, what is the name of surveyor, and we have many other information possible to add. Okay, this information possible to add also, like customer representative and other. And we have from here get direction directly. We can click on here and based on the location added by the salesman, we can know the road directly from our location by Google Map. This is the map. This is the location where we added. So, how the survey team work? Okay, in the survey team, they have their own window. If we click from here, tasks, or we can come from here, we can go to the task. So the task team, they have this dashboard for them. Okay, they can know whatever they have open tasks. Okay, and they have, for instance, one new today, as you can see from here. This one new today, and survey how much done, how much bonus, all details is appear here. Okay, so also for site survey we have it, this menu, full menu for the site survey with a lot of configurable data. So from here, let's say the team is start to moving to site, he can say start moving. Once he start moving, he can start to add lines. From here he can choose the floor, let's say ground floor, and choose the room, what is the width, what is the height. If we have arch tangent point, we can put it how much quantity survey. Okay, and he can add some photos, and if there is a remarks, once he completed, he will have to check completed and save. Okay, this is the first way to add directly from here. There is also, we support mobile application. We can show you like this. So now I will change to my mobile. There is here mobile application. If we click on the mobile, it will open in this way. Okay, the survey, he can click and add. He can choose the floor, the rooms, and the number of the windows or number of the door. It will be automatically calculated every time, so he can write also what he measured here. Also the cell height, we can have it, quantity, how much he have. Also he can attach a photo. Also they can make a sketch directly from the mobile application. This is touch support, so it's supporting touching. If they have any comments, he can do it. Also there is a possibility to link with the laser meter by Bluetooth. Okay, so we can click save. Now as you can see, now the number is now 103. Let's say I want to go to the first floor. So in the first floor I don't have any items, so the number is 201. Okay, so let's go back to the one. So now as I'm going through the survey, now I have now a new tab called elevation. It will show me all the items next to each other, just as size, so I can understand the line of the items. I can check every item here. Whatever is okay for me, I check it as done. Okay, and then I can set this is completed. System support, export to Excel, support to CVS, and to PDF. Once I complete, I can create a quotation from here. When I create a quotation, I have to select my profile, I have to select the color, and we have option to dual color, mean from inside different from outside color. Plus I can choose here the glass. If I have a later accessories, I can also check it. Let me create it now. Now the system create for me the quotation with dummy item, as you can see here. Yeah, everything is there, but there is not yet drawing for these items. Here also down I can see the survey details. Everything is mentioned in here. So this is now it go back to the cells. We can click on here in each sales order line. We have here buttons to click on the edit design. Once we click on it, it will open for us a frame studio design. We can start drawing, okay, using the data from the system. Okay, we can start our drawing. Okay, so I have it's 1500. I can write it. Also it's drag and drop. It's easy. We can drag and drop. The system support all this type of frames, as you can see, even the arch. For the arches we can simply click here and we change it. That is possible. We can also show the grid in the back. Okay, then we have a million. Let's say I want to draw the million design like this. I can make it different. Let's say I wanted 700, and here I want it to be same. As you can see, the line is there. This is type of the million we can design. We can put it even here. The design we can have it. The constant, we have a lot of options for this. Okay, we can have all type of opening. Okay, now we have it to left. Let me put it to right. Also we have floated, we have rotated, we have up, down. Okay, there's a lot of options to be chosen from. Okay, and we can know here if this one is open inside or outside. We can know all the details about it. Okay, there is a sliding and folding also supported in the system. There is a Chinese decorative bar. We can also have some glasses, some even glass hole if I want to put fan hole. Okay, I want to make it like fan hole. If I want to remove it, simply by click delete. Okay, there's a lot of options. If we go to the order settings, we can put here our cell height. Let's say I want it 200. If I click in this button, it will draw for me this one here. And let's say I want to change it to 400. Simply I am clicking on here, and this one is auto calculated. And also, as you can see, the handle height from the ground. We can put here the count. If you want to change the quantity, we can put position, we can put other information. From here we can again choose the system, we can choose the glass, we can choose the brand of the accessories. Let's say I want to use roto, and in each type of the item I can choose my accessories type in here. And if I click on the sash itself, I have all type of connection, and I can change from window to door simply by clicking on this. And there's many options. In the hardware also I can select my hardware color. Let's say I want titanium, champagne. Okay, what is the type of this? And there's options also to add accessories, special accessories, or change some quantity of the accessories. This accessories is have some calculation in the system to select the correct accessories, correct spanolette, correct looking system depend on the size or weight. We have some auxiliary also. We can add some auxiliary, any auxiliary you want. So once I finish, I can just click close and save. Now it will come back to my sales to my quotation. Okay, we can see in the card view, we can see the drawing, and we can see the details here, whatever we add details. Okay, we can also let's say there is some item I want to add. I can simply click on add product, and I add the item. Okay, in the system we have some item with the design, and other item you can sell it directly. So the system will support both for you if you want to sell with the design or windows and doors, or if you want to sell a normal product like I want to sell accessories, so or profiles. That's both is supported. So for this item, as you can see, this one is already configurable. If we click on this item, I can see this type is window designer, so we can have it. There is a lot of options there. We will not speak about it in depth now. So I can click in here. Let's say I want to draw. Also, the system is supporting shortcuts. So for instance, F for frame. Okay, you can for the million is V. Okay, sash is S. So like this, I can draw. I can select my profile in here. I select it. Even if I wanted frosted, that is possible. I can put other details. Another things that you can notice, if you have another system profile, let me I change it now. The also the drawing itself is changes, as you can see from here. So I have this system, and I have this other system which is minimal. So now let's say I put it, I save it. Okay. Now just when I save it, it's refresh on the system. Once you save this one, there is a new button called save as template. You can save this design as a template to reuse it in the future by clicking on this button. Okay, if we come to here, we have analysis details. If we click on this, it will show me all component and technical details in this item. So here the colors, component summary, and we have some cost information. Here the frames, all the frame, the connection, cutting angles, the dimensions, and the product on the system. We have the sash, we have the glass, decorative, million. All the details is in here, all the items, even the hardware, everything is mentioned and calculated automatically based on the drawing. So after this step, now the we have after this step, let's say the you have option for revision. Okay, you can just simply click create a revision. So now this one, now we have a new revision. Okay, we have other options for BOQ, for price distribution, and we have some other options for creating a new survey item from the quotation also. So in here we can open the survey, the last survey. Also we can see we can create a new pre-code, and we can see all the previous surveys, and we can see all the requests, technical requests from here. If we go to the CRM, if we go back to the CRM, I want to show you this. Okay, in the CRM, I see now there is two quotations. Okay, there is now everything is linked with each other. So the CRM, it show me all the quotation, all the contracts, and plus it show me all the technical requests happen for this project. Okay, for this is the first part of the demo. We'll talk about the production in the next demo.